Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what are the comments in Python and how to use them with some simple examples. So without further ado, let's get into it. Comments in Python can be used for explaining the Python code. They are used for making the code more readable. They can also be used for preventing the execution when testing the code. In Python, we use a hash sign for creating the comment that is not inside a string literal. All characters after the hash sign and up to the end of the physical line are a part of a comment, and the Python interpreter ignores them. Let me show you how to create a comments with some simple example. This is the Python command line, and we are going to see how to create the comment. So for creating comment, we just have to use the hash sign, and after that whatever we will type after the hash sign up to the end of the physical line will be ignored by the Python interpreter. So if we type the print function here, so print and in quotes hello world, after hitting enter, it will ignore it. It will not execute the print function as it is considered as a comment. After the comment, we will explain the code. We just have to remove the hash. When we hit the enter, we will see the print function is executing. We can also type a comment on the same line after a statement or a expression. Let me show you how to do that. So first, we will use a print function. In bracket, we will execute a simple arithmetic operation, and after that we will use a comment. So after any function or expression, when we use the comment, the Python interpreter will ignore it. So here we will say that this is a comment. After hitting enter, as you can see, we can also type a comment on the same line after a statement or a expression. For a multiline comments, Python does not really have a syntax for the multiline comments. To add it, we just have to insert hash symbol for each line. Let me show you how to do it. For this, we just have to use hash symbol for each line. So in the first line, we will use like this is a, hit enter. Again, we have to use the hash symbol, multiline, again hash symbol, comment. So this is our multiline comment. Comments are used for explaining the Python code. So in this example, we will print some string hello, and we can use the comments for explaining this Python code. So we can explain this code as this is a print function. This comment is making this code more readable and easy to understand. Triple quoted string is also ignored by the Python interpreter and can be used as a multiline comments. So for this example, we will use a triple quoted symbols. Just use like this. For completing this multiline comment, just again use the triple quotes. I hope you got the clear understanding what are the comments in Python and how we can use them with some simple examples. For more Python tutorial, just subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get further updates.